Have you ever wondered why your Windows PC sometimes slows down even though there's nothing heavy running in the background? Well, the truth is Windows silently runs the large number of background services. Some of them genuinely help your system stay compatible and updated. But many others quietly eat up your CPU, memory, and even your internet bandwidth without you even realizing it. Over time, these unwanted services can affect your system speed, drain your battery, and make even a healthy PC feel sluggish. So in today's video, I will show you a list of unnecessary Windows services that most people don't use, but they are still running in the background. And the best part, I will walk you through step by step on how to disable them safely, so your PC runs smoother and faster. So let's get started. So first, right click on the Windows icon and open Settings. From the left hand panel, click on Windows Update. Under Advanced Options, you will find Delivery Optimization. This feature is meant to speed up updates for other PCs on your local network by sharing parts of the updates files you have already downloaded. But in reality, it can consume your bandwidth and slow down your PC unexpectedly. Click on it. Now at the top, you will see an option called Allow Download from Other PCs. Turn this off. That's it. This will stop Windows from using your PC's bandwidth from other devices. Click on Windows Search and type Services. Click on it. In the Services window, scroll down and find Windows Mobile Hotspot Service. The mobile hotspot service allows your PC to act as a Wi-Fi hotspot and share its internet connection with other devices. While it's useful if you actually use this feature, for most people it just runs unnecessarily in the background, consuming resources and bandwidth. If you don't use it, it's better to disable it. So double click on it. Under Startup Type, select Disabled. Click Stop. Then click on Apply and click OK. In the Services window, scroll down to the C section and find Connected User Experiences and Telemetry. Microsoft collects a lot of diagnostic data, crash reports, and usage patterns through these services, supposedly to improve your experience. But if you value your privacy or simply want to reduce unnecessary background activity, you can safely disable them. So double click on it. Set Startup Type to Disabled. Click Stop, then Apply and click OK. Next, disable Windows Error Reporting. Scroll down to the W section. Find Windows Error Reporting Service. Double click on it. Now set Startup Type to Disabled. Click Stop, then Apply and click OK. This will help reduce data collection and background processes. Again, in the Services window, go to the P section. Find Program Compatibility Assistant Service. This services is designed to help older programs like Windows XP or Windows 7 apps run on newer systems, while it's useful for legacy software. But most modern PCs running Windows 10 or Windows 11 don't rely on it anymore. If you don't run older programs, it's better to turn it off. Double click on it. Set startup type to disabled. Click stop, then apply and click on OK. Now in the services window, find SysMain. SysMain is a service that preloads frequently used apps into your PC's memory to speed up load times. While it was helpful for older HDD based systems, but most modern PCs and laptops use SSDs, which are already very fast. Because on SSD systems, SysMain can actually increase disk and memory usage unnecessarily. So double click on it. Set startup type to disabled. Now click stop. Then click apply and then click OK. Note, if you are still using traditional hard drive, it's better to leave SysMain enabled. Many third-party apps installed their own background services, which continue to run even if you are no longer use those apps. To manage them, click on Windows Search. Type msconfig and open System Configuration. Go to the Services tab. Now check the box that says Hide all Microsoft services. You will now only see third-party services. Carefully go through the list and uncheck the services for apps you don't use anymore. Once done, click Apply and OK. After making all these changes, restart your PC. Once your system boots up, you will likely notice a visible difference. Lower CPU usage, reduced memory consumption, and overall faster, smoother performance. And that's it. These simple tweaks can really help your PC breathe a little easier without installing any extra software. If this tutorial helped you, then please give it a like, share and subscribe our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.